Hello everyone. So in this video we will create a video conference app in Flutter with the help of ZegoCloud. So as you know, ZegoCloud is the best platform to create communication apps. It also give a complete UI kit, so you have to just write few lines of code and your application will be ready and you can use it. So you can use this to create communication apps or integrate communication functionality in your application. So these are the features that video call, voice call, live streaming, in-app chat, cloud recording, AI effects, superboard, digital human. So in this video we will create a video conference app. So if you click on this products, you can see these all are products. So and you can also read the documentation, and these are the UI kits. So I will create a video conference app. So here is the video conference kit. So this is the documentation. You can also read this to create application, and you can create in Java, Swift, Dart, Flutter. So we will create in the Flutter. So this is the best platform to create apps, and it is also give you 10,000 free minutes that you can use for free. So if you don't want to purchase that, you can also use it for free. So you have to sign up. So as you can see, start now to get 10,000 free minutes. So my account is already created, so I will log in. So we have created our application, and we will use our app ID and app sign in. And these are the extra features and configurations that you can enable. So I will start, and this is the app ID and this is app sign in. So I will use this one. So let's test the application. So conference ID will be the any ID of the conference, and which will be same for every user, and the user ID will be different. So if I create a ID or write ID 123 or any, so every user will join through that ID. So I will click on this join conference. Sorry. So as you can see, we have joined the conference, and it has all features to video, and you can also mute and audio also. It has chat. You can also chat with the members which are joined. So let me start another emulator. Here I am using emulators, so the videos will not show, so you can test on real devices, and it will work fine. I mean, I am using emulators, that's why video is not showing. And these are the all other features, and this is also feature to share the screen. And this is the new user, so Alexa1 and then Alex Pro grammar. So these are the features of ZegoCloud. With the help of ZegoCloud SDK, you can create communication apps within a few minutes. And if you want to create your application, and you can integrate this one, and this is very simple to integrate. As you can see, we have integrated within the few lines of code. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.